everyone. The louder you cheer, the faster your bird will play the game. Are we ready now? Ready, go! Come on! Yeah! And the winner is Kobe! Very good. Hey, good. What happened to Barry? Oh, she said that was just a warm-up. So what do you want now? She wants one more match. What do you say? Yes or no? Of course you won't say yes. Okay, one more match for you, Barry. Right. Everyone deserves a second chance, right? Okay, let's see how we go. Okay, two more balls. There you are. Okay, and two more balls for you. Remember now, Barry supporters, cheer much louder this time. Okay, ready, go! Come on! In the row, the winner is Coffee! Wow, that was very, very close, but I'm so sorry, Jun. Barry still lost the match. Do you have anything to say? Try again next time, don't feel so sad. Okay, let's give them a round to Barry and Coffee, eh? Which one?